Good morning, all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter, and the chapter name is Light in the Night. In the previous video lesson, we have discussed the first page of the chapter. Okay, and from the first page, we have understood that London was a capital city, and people used to walk in moonlight to socialize. Socialize means to meet people like friends, relative, and some other person. But the most important thing is that it was really very dangerous to walk alone in the road, because at that time it was dark, and since it was dark, so it may be possible that if they will move without any light, without anything, then it may be possible that they will be lost, or they will have to move from one place to the other place without any reason, and it may be possible they will be attacked with some criminals, or they will be robbed by the robbers, or they will fall into the river, or they may be drawn also. So these were the possibilities which can happen with them if they will not travel with the light. So what people have decided? They have decided that they will carry a torch or they will carry a lamp with them so that they can travel easily in the road. Okay, so this much is clear to all of you. Is it clear to all of you? So after that, what happened? There were some people which were known as what? Which were known as link boys. So link boys, what they were doing? They were doing a job. They were doing the job of what? Of carrying a torch or a lamp for the people who wanted to go to the street for a small amount of money. Means they will take a small amount of money from you, and with that amount of money they will carry a torch for you and they will show you the way in the street. So this happened with the people. After some time, authority realized that it should be mandatory for every person, for every citizen in London to have a light outside their window so that it can give a way to the people which are roaming in the street. Okay, so this much we have completed in the previous video lesson. Now from here we will start. In the 1700s, London grew rapidly and became the world center of trade. Okay, so what happened in 1700? London grew rapidly, means it was growing rapidly, means very fastly it was growing, and it became the world center of trade. World center of trade, what is the meaning of trade? Trade means purchasing and selling of goods and services. So most important thing is that now London was a world center of trade. People come in London for selling goods and services, for purchasing goods and services, for manufacturing and fashion. Manufacturing means production of goods and services. Whenever you are indulged in producing goods and services, then it will be known as manufacturing. Okay, business became important and lights were needed to keep the city working and entertaining into the night. As you know, business is really very important, because whenever you are involved in business, then only you will earn some amount of money. Okay, and since you are indulged, you are involved in a business, it is really very necessary to have lights, because without light it is impossible for the workers, for the city to work. Okay, and lights were also necessary for entertainment in the night, because people used to walk in the street in the night. Okay, लाइट बहुत ज़रूरी थी ताकि लोग क्या कर सके, बिजनेस कर सके और एंटरटेनमेंट कर सके, बाहर रात को जा सके. ठीक है ना. By the late 1700s, London had so many street lamps that visitors to the city were amazed by them. So what happened by the late 1700s? Means late 1700 means at the end of the 1700, what happened? London had so many street lamps. Street is what? Street is a road, and street lamp is what? Lamp which is placed on the street is known as what? Street lamp. So at the end of the 1700, what happened? There were so many street lamps which were placed in the city, and all the visitors who came from different countries, they were amazed, they were surprised by the street lamp. Okay, the lamps were fueled by wax or oil that gave often unpleasant smell and often dripped. So as you know, the lamp which you use in your home is filled with what? Is filled with wax or oil, right? And it gives a very foul smell, or you can say a very unpleasant smell which you do not like. Many people were employed as lamp lighters because each lamp had to be lit by hand every evening. So there were some people, or you can say there were many people who were employed, who were given a job that what they have to do, they have to fill the fuel in the lamp so that lamp can continuously give light to the people. Okay, now one German tourist visiting London in the 1700 wrote in his diary, as it was quite dark when I came back the first evening, I was astonished at the admirable manner in which the streets are lightened up. So there was what? There was a German tourist. Okay, so there was a German tourist, means tourist is what? A person who has come from some other country for visiting a country. So first of all, he was a tourist. So what he has written in his diary? He has written in his diary that he was astonished. Astonished means he was what? He was surprised. आश्चर्यचकित हो गया. For what? Because of the admirable manner. Means street were lightning, right or not? Means there were lights in the street, but the lights were looking so beautiful, it was looking so admiring that he was very happy after seeing the lights in the street. The bright lamps made the city seem exciting and lively. So the lamps which was burning in the street, it was very exciting, and it was giving the entire city a look of a lively means alive. It was providing a life to the street of London. The lamps are so near each other that even on the most ordinary and common nights, the city has the appearance of a festive illumination. So the lamps means the street lamps were placed so close, इतने पास रखे गए थे that they were giving a look of festive illumination. Means as you know that there will be a festive in Diwali, what you used to do? You used to you used to do so many things. You used to burn candles, lighten up candles, diyas, right? It gives a very good feeling. It gives a very good festive illumination. So like that only, the lamps were placed very close to each other that it was looking very excited. It was looking very good. And most important thing, it was giving a look of a festive illumination. Okay? मीन्स वहाँ पे स्ट्रीट लाइट बहुत पास रखे गए थे, जिसकी वजह से उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई फेस्टिवल हो, कोई त्यौहार हो. ठीक है. सो ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, बहुत हैप्पी था और खुश भी था. नाउ द लैम्प लाइटर्स क्विकली become an important and valued part of society. This was because they often become a key figure. So what happened? The lamp lighters quickly become an important and valued part of society. Means ये जो lamp lighters थे, now what happened? They become a very important part of the society. Why? Because they were playing most important role in the community. Means in the society. They would walk the same route twice a day as they checked, cleaned, fixed light or put out the lights. They would notice what was going on around them. So what is the work of those people? What they have to do? Lamp lighters. Lamp lighters means the person who is lighting the lamp. So what they have to do? They will walk in the same route twice a day. Means the street, they have to walk in the street twice a day. Means they will go 2 times. They will check the street lights. They will clean the street light. If there will be any problem in it, they will fix the street light. And after that, they will light the street light. So this was the work of the lamp lighters. Okay, so lamp lighters used to help the route safer, means what they were doing, they were making the route safer, means they were providing safety to the people. Their job required energy, strength, agility and reliability. In their job, what is necessary? Energy is required a lot. They should be active. They should be there must be some strength in them. Agility means they should move easily from one place to the other place. Reliability, they should be reliable. They should be honest in their work. They had to keep the light clean, make sure the wicks were trimmed to the right length, light tens of lamp in the evening and put them all out again in the morning. Many lamp lighters were pleased to be guardians in their communities, and often the job would be passed on from parent to child. So what they have to do is that they have to make sure the wicks were trimmed. Wicks means जैसे जो लैंप होती है, लैंप में व्हाइट कलर का हम एक धागा डालते हैं ना, जिसको हम बर्न करते हैं, जलाते हैं, उसको क्या कहते हैं? विक्स कहते हैं. तो वो राइट लेंथ की होनी चाहिए थी. ठीक है ना? What they have to do? They have to burn, they have to lighten up the street light in the evening also, and they have to check it again in the morning also. And many lamp lighters were pleased, means they were very happy, वो बहुत खुश थे because of the work which they were doing. Okay, and this job was passed from their parents to their child. Okay, means first of all their parents were doing this type of job, and after some time their children were doing the same job. Now the lamp posts of London were designed with a bar sticking out from either side at the top so that the lamp lighter could safely rest his ladder on them. Lamp lighters moved quickly, carrying their ladder and going up and down it hundreds of times a day. The lamp posts were decorated with the royal crest and were looked after carefully by the lamp lighters. So in this para, what they have said is that the lamp lighters have to do so many work. They were having so many responsibilities. Most important thing is that lamp lighter is a work in which loads of responsibility they have to do. Lamp lighters moved quickly. How they move? They move very quickly, carrying their ladder, means they carry the ladder in this way, and after that they open the door of the lamp light. Okay, and after that what they have to do? They have to fix the light and they have to burn the light. So this was the work of the lamp lighter. Okay, so this was what? This was the work of lamp lighter, and they have to do this work very carefully. So this was the lesson all about. Hope you have understand the topic clearly.